Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. If you ever had to design something like this or anything, and if you're using the nudge, here's a little trick with the control nudge. So I've got a hairline drawn, and I've got my nudge factor set on 1 inch. So I'm going to select my line and make a duplicate by Ctrl D and make a duplicate of it and then make another one. So those are 1 inch apart. Now I'm going to take an ellipse, holding down the control button so it's perfect. With my ratio locked, I'm going to make it 1 inch. Now the way to make it even would be to put this right on that node. You can't really put it, I want to put it here, but I don't know where the center is. Now, I only need to nudge it down 1/2 inch. So I'm going to control nudge, and it moved it down just 1/2 inch. And then if you made a plus key on the keyboard, put it on this side and always grab it in the middle. I'm going to control nudge up. So now I have this, and now I can take something like this and delete it and take all these and basically go up to object and combine them. And now it's one shape. And then you can continue this forever. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard to move it down 1 inch. And then Control D, Control D, Control D. Now we could go ahead and go up to Effect or Object and Combine. And then we can make them something thicker than a hairline. Pretty cool to make something like that quick. So just remember, when you're using the control button with a nudge, it moves at half the distance. And we're going to show that right here. I'm going to draw a 1 inch box. And I'm going to nudge it 1 inch. I'm going to make a duplicate and nudge it 1 inch. Now I'm going to control nudge. So I just got my finger on the control button and my nudge. It only moved it 1/2 inch. Now with that said, you can hold down the shift and nudge, and let me make a duplicate of that. A shift and nudge, and it'll move it 2 inches. So the shift will double your nudge. The control will make your nudge in half. So if you move it over just with the arrow, it moves it over 1 inch. Control moves it over 1/2. Shift moves it over 2. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.